Questioning how to whip up a simple carnivore-friendly recipe? Well, worry no more. Here's a straightforward, quick, and easy-to-follow ground beef recipe that's sure to satisfy those carnivorous cravings. The ingredients you'll need are pretty basic. 1 pound of ground beef, grass-fed if you can get your hands on it, and salt to taste, though this is optional. Start by preheating a skillet. Just place it over a medium-high heat and let it warm up for a couple of minutes. There's no rush here, so take a moment to appreciate the anticipation of the mouth-watering meal to come. Next, it's time for the star of the show, the ground beef. Once the skillet is hot, introduce the beef to its heated stage. Use a spatula to break it into smaller pieces, then let it cook without stirring. Give it a few minutes until it starts to brown on the bottom. Now give that beef some attention. After a few minutes, stir and break it apart with the spatula to ensure even cooking. Keep this up until the beef is fully browned and no pink spots remain. Here's an optional step, draining the excess fat. Depending on the fat content of your ground beef and your personal preference, you might want to do this. Just tilt the skillet and use a spoon to carefully remove the excess fat. Lastly, another optional step, seasoning with salt. While carnivore diets typically avoid added seasonings, you can adjust according to your taste buds. Finally, it's time to serve. Once cooked to your liking, transfer the ground beef from the skillet to a serving plate. You can enjoy it on its own, or pair it with other carnivore-friendly foods like eggs or cheese, if you're including dairy in your diet. And there you have it, a simple, straightforward way to prepare ground beef for a carnivore diet. Remember, you can always adjust the seasoning and cooking time according to your preferences. So go on, enjoy your carnivore-friendly meal.